Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is March 30th, 2025, and here are our top stories. OpenAI funding, creative AI texts, ChatGPT update, AI art rules. OpenAI funding. The Wall Street Journal reports a massive $40 billion investment deal is nearing completion. A key condition is that OpenAI must transform into a for-profit entity by the end of the year, or the investment could drop to $20 billion. SoftBank plans to invest $30 billion, with an additional $10 billion sourced from other investors like Microsoft. SoftBank intends to allocate $10 billion initially for OpenAI. A significant partnership is forming between Japanese tech giant SoftBank and OpenAI, including annual multi-billion-dollar investments and a joint venture targeting the Japanese market. Named SB OpenAI Japan, this venture will market OpenAI technology exclusively to large Japanese companies. In this collaboration, SoftBank and its affiliates will access tools like ChatGPT Enterprise, the OpenAI API, and custom models. Additionally, SoftBank will package the AI agent operator and tool Deep Research under the Crystal Intelligence brand. Creative AI texts. Researchers from Midjourney and New York University have unveiled a method to significantly enhance the diversity of texts generated by AI language models. By integrating divergence metrics into the model training process, the approach aims to produce more creative and varied outcomes. Tests have shown promising results, with the new models generating an average 23% wider range of texts. However, the quality, as measured by the Reddit reward score, decreased by about 5%. For instance, when prompted with "Why do you tremble, my dear? You are now a king," GPT-4o mostly crafted stories of a ruler's self-doubt. In contrast, the new model based on the smaller meta model, Llama 3.18b, provided a rich variety of stories, ranging from dark fantasy tales of a bear prince to supernatural underwater encounters. ChatGPT update. OpenAI has rolled out a comprehensive update to its language model, GPT-4o, aimed at enhancing the capabilities of ChatGPT. This update focuses on improving functionality, clarity, and creativity. Users will notice clearer implementation of complex instructions, as GPT-4o now captures intricate requests more precisely and provides detailed, cohesive responses. This means more tailored answers, even for multifaceted queries. The update also boosts the model's effectiveness in technical challenges and programming tasks, producing cleaner, more efficient code with fewer compilation errors. Additionally, GPT-4o now delivers more creative and original content, enriching creative writing and brainstorming. The reduced use of emojis contributes to clearer, more professional communication, particularly beneficial in formal contexts. This update underlines OpenAI's commitment to quality and practical utility, making ChatGPT more versatile and finely tuned to specific needs. AI art rules. OpenAI is making waves with GPT-4o by directly integrating powerful image generation into ChatGPT, while also updating its policies. This change gives users more creative latitude, but it also introduces new challenges. Previously, OpenAI enforced strict restrictions to prevent misuse of image generation. Now with GPT-4o, the responsibility shifts more to the user. Joanne Zhang, head of model behavior at OpenAI, states that users will have more freedom as long as clear boundaries are respected. Public figures can now opt out of having their images generated, reinforcing the right to one's likeness. OpenAI takes a nuanced approach to sensitive traits like weight or ethnicity, opting to evaluate if requests are harmful or simply personal preferences. The policy on controversial symbols, like the swastika, also evolves, assessing context rather than blocking them outright. Simultaneously, OpenAI is developing mechanisms to detect and prevent misuse early on. Protective measures remain stringent for those under 18. The policy changes are already influencing user creativity, with more generating images mimicking famous art styles such as Studio Ghibli's distinctive look. While many celebrate this creativity, concerns about copyright infringement grow. OpenAI faces the challenge of balancing creative freedom with legal boundaries, adapting its guidelines to changing technical and social realities. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.